I'm going to start another like the series of the videos on manipulating the data. Sometimes it is required to manipulate your data or to convert your data according to your own needs. This is our first video of this series where I'm going to discuss about the sorting data in this pieces. How you can sort the data. Normally, we sort the data into the ascending or a descending order. Whatever order you want to follow, but you need to sort the data. Sometimes the numbers are so many numbers, so it is very difficult to locate your particular numbers or data in which you are interested. So the sorting may help you, sorting may solve you this problem, and the sorting method can arrange your data in such a way that you can locate or find out your required data from a very large data set. So that's why the sorting is also a very important technique. My name is Dr. Rainbek Sumro and I'm from Shabati University, Pakistan. Dear friends, in this series, so first I'm going to discuss about the data menu. It means that in that one, I'm going to discuss right now the sort cases in ascending or in descending. And then next, I will discuss about the identify duplicate cases and then merge. Now, sometimes we are required to merge the case with the case, variable with the variable, how to merge. So in this video, we will understand. Then sometime we are required to spread our file into the 2 parts or 3 parts. Sometimes we are required to show or to present our results somewhere on the basis of the gender, on the basis of the education, on the basis of the martial result or any other one. So for example, if you want to present your result on the basis of the gender, how to present? Now, this technique may help you because this will split the data file or the results on the basis of the gender into the 2 parts. You will get the results separately for the male and separately for the female. And lastly, we will discuss about the selected case and words. So now, you know about I think it's not a new concept, descending orders. I think you know about all these things, but for example, this is the data. This zigzag form or unarranged data, BCE. Now, how you can arrange the same data in ascending order? Because now the highest will start like the A is highest now. A, B, C, D are like the alphabetical order. And descending order, the same data are here. Same thing is here in this one. But here, see, it starts from the D, C, B, A. Now, this is the descending order. Now, you can reorganize or rearrange your data in ascending or descending order. Based on your sort, you can sort your cases, row, or you can sort variable or column. Now, here, this is your 1 2 3, these are your like the rows and these are your columns. Now if you want to rearrange your column in descending or ascending order, just select this column and press the right key of your mouse, and then you can get this pop-up window and you can select anyone from here. As you know, this is a theoretical section, and when we will enter in the practical section, I will tell you how you can do this. Then now here at one time you can change like the rearrange ascendingly or descendingly one column at one time. But if you want to rearrange or sort the multiple columns, then this technique can help you. In this one, you are required to go into the data and select the sort the cases, and you can do how you can do. Now you will get this pop-up window, sort cases, and this one, all your variables like these are shown in this line are here, and you can transfer the variable of your choice from this window to this window sort by. Now this A means ascending. If you find the D, it means the descending, because here ascending has been selected, that's why you're finding A over here. Now selecting variable will arrange the order of the variable in your column, and you can also change the sort the variable on the basis of the name, type, bit, decimal, and all these ones. Variable can be sorted ascending or descending in order. Now the two variables, to solve the variable, what we should do, simply go like the, now you know the in the species normally you find all the time you find data view and the variable view. Earlier we discussed somewhat in the data view, but if you want to sort some of the variable in the data in the variable view, how you can do, here we are going to understand this thing. Now the same thing, select any one variable from here and then right click. When you right click, you will get the sort the cases or the variable which you want to sort. Definitely we want to sort the variable, and then this type of the pop-up window will appear where from name to role all are appear here, and then you can select the ascending or descending and press OK. You will get the ascend or descending order your data. And then you see after we selected the name here. So now his name. So we wanted to sort in the ascending way. Then you find that how this column has been sorted in ascending way, and the top of the A alphabetic order is on the top of this one, and then the B, C, D, all these they are the remaining are at the bottom of this one. And then after this one we are working on the label, and here label the same thing is there. Now you see the labels have been arranged in ascending order. A comes at the top and the I come at the bottom of this one. Dear friends, again, I'm reminding you that whatever videos I'm going to produce, I always follow these three books. I strongly recommend you please go and read all these one if you want to learn more about this one. So here, now we are going towards the practical part of this video. Now we are in the practical section of our video. Dear friends, here, this is the data set on which we will apply the sorting techniques. In this one, these are the age, gender, ID. These are our demographic variable, X1 to X5. These are our like the data. In this one here, if we see behind this one, this is the coding. Now this is a 5-point Likert scale, and this button is type is a it can convert the alphanumeric button. Values are there, it will convert. If you click again, it will reach on your previous position. So first of all, we are going to apply our technique sorting. Now here, individual every column wise we are going to do this one. For example, we want to select this one. Select, right click of your key of your mouse, and then you will get this of the window over here. Here the sorting ascending and sort descending. So we want first to sort ascending. If you click this one, so now this type of the window will appear, and this is the message that your technique has been executed properly. Now what is the message? Now it's like it says the sort cases by X2. X2 is the name of the column, and this A shows ascending. So now if we are following the descending, then you will find the D over here. This message confirms that the technique has been executed properly. Now see in this column that our technique has been executed properly, and then the 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2, because it's a 3-point Likert scale, so that's why a whole one you will find that the 5. So now everywhere now this shows that our this X2 has been like the sorted in ascending order. And for example, then we want to do the same job with the X2 with X1. Just select it, press this one, and go into the descending. When you did this one, then the same message for the execution has been appeared over here, and then sort case same. Now the case is different. Earlier there was a case 2 X2. Now this one is a variable. Now earlier the variable X2 was there, and now X1 variable is there. Now earlier there was A, but here it's a D. D means descending order. Now we did the same job with these two one. Now see 5 5 are here, and then 4 4 are there. So now we did the same thing with this one. Individually we do it, but if you want to like arrange these columns ascending descending, that means all the column are more than one column, what we should do, then it's very easy. Go into the data and find out the sort the cases. Now this is sort the cases and sort the variable. In the sort the cases, what you should do, go sort the cases, and then here you are finding the same window here. Now here you can sort more than one. Now, if you see here, now these are the levels. Sometimes it's creating problem. That means the which type the question is there. For example, we do not know the x like the number of this one. So now at the end of this one, this number is showing x3, x4. But these are only five. We have the variables. But if we have more than five, like the 20, 30, 40, then in this case, it's very difficult to locate the data of the variable which you want to sort. Now it's very easy. Just select anyone and press right button of your key, a mouse, and then here you are finding display the variable label. Now there are some labels are there. These have been displayed here. This is the label. But if you want, you can convert into the variable name. Now these are the variable names x2, x2. Now you can convert this into the variable name. How? Just press this one. Now these have been. Now it's very easy for you to understand which type of the question is there. Further, if you want to like the 4 and 5, you want to change. Now select those one and bring these one in this table, and then select ascending or descending. This time we are going to select the descending and then press OK. When you press OK, now this time in the message we have got message of the confirmation that your command has been executed. Sort case by the x4 and the xt. Now this D shows descending order. So now here these two columns have properly been shown in the ascending or descending order. Now see up to the end. So now this was the one way when you want to rearrange the column in if they are more than one. Now alternatively, every time you find the data view and the variable view. So if you want to convert the variable, you can also do this one. You can rearrange this one. Now here, this is the one. For example, we want to rearrange your variable on the basis of, you can change on the basis of the name, type, bits, and the role. All these are on which. For example, we want to change on the basis of the level. Just select it, right click, and then ascend descending order there. So now ascending, if you press, you will get this message. Now this message is that it's predefined. If you want to save this one somewhere, okay, but we are not interested in anything. Just we want to convert this one. Now it says that you want to set the current pre-sorted this one variable order in the new attribute. No, we are not interested. If you are interested, then you can give the name of that attribute, and then you can save it somewhere else. No, now see there this has been ascended in the this has been converted into the ascending order. So they sorted into the ascending order. Now T comes after the I, so that's why I is there first and then T. And then if you want to column this one, sort this column again, select it and as A. Then H is the up at the top of it, and then the X is the lower at the lower part of this one. So now this is the method through which you can ascend the data into the sort the data into the ascending or the descending format according to your own needs. So this was all about this video. I hope you have you like this video. If you like, then please subscribe my channel and share this video, as the maximum benefit can go to the people. Thank you very much for watching this video.